I know this doesn't fit my bike, but I just want to highlight how this design is terrible, how terrible this design is. I mean, you could put it up high here, but like it's always on the side of your pedals, so your leg will be brushing up against here, or your feet will be hitting it. You can't really turn it sideways, and the other side's gonna have to deal with the entire U-lock facing that way. So I just recommend putting it on your handlebars like I do, because it's not that heavy. I got the short variety, so I'm not sure if the long variety is heavier, but this design is very disappointing.
Yeah, all I can say is that worst product ever. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't waste your money on trying to buy it and stuff like that. Waste of money.
You didn't appreciate about each other, but now you kind of do because you know what it's like to lose each other.
I can say all of the pain we had came with a purpose, because now we know, you know, it solidified our